JSW Steel reported almost a 65% year-on-year decline in net profit. The net profit figure stood at about 1322 crore in Q4 of FY24 versus 3741 crore in the year ago period. Meanwhile, revenue also dropped by about 1.5%, coming in at 46,269 crore versus 46,962 crore in the year ago quarter. But the street overall was expecting a big massive decline of about 50% in net profit. So the numbers, although they are at first glance looking disappointing, they are sort of in line with what the street was expecting. And I'll come to you, Kranti. I mean, the stock did end about 1.7% higher, and we are seeing a very strong rally play out in metal pack as whole. And although it has been copper and zinc that has been on investors shopping list, but steel stocks, I mean, they have also seen a good bit of run up. You see Tata Steel, JSW Steel, both of them have done fairly well in the last five trading sessions. In fact, they have outperformed your broader market indices and Nifty on the whole. Look at the 5-day returns of JSW Steel, up 7%, and in the last 1 month it's up 6%. 1 year somewhere around 28% actually. But Kranti, again coming to you, sir, at first glance, what's your take on JSW Steel, and could that be a stock that one can add to their portfolios?
Yes, Shreyas, never seems to be look disappointing in the medium to short term. But this is a stock for a longer term perspective, not for just a quarter-on-quarter perspective. Even given the infrastructure theme, the capex theme that's taking place in the markets at this point of time, definitely JSW kind of names going to get benefited in the longer term perspective. So any dip in these kind of stocks, one can add in their portfolio without any hesitation, I can say. But there will be short-term blips will be there in the medium to shorter term. But given the kind of stock fundamentals and also the strong balance sheet and the strong business model they enjoys, one can add these kind of stocks as a portfolio stocks into their core portfolio.
All right, that's a word coming in from Kranti Bhatini on JSW Steel. Can be looked at to become, perhaps a portfolio stock, but there will be corrections, intermittent corrections on the way up. But the outlook is bullish on JSW Steel.